In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily create a group on WhatsApp. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. So let's begin, and first off, open up WhatsApp app. Then get into chats, where you can easily find right here new group. Just tap on it. That will open up your contacts, and that's where you can select whom you want to add to the new group just by checkmarking users in that simple way, just like that. Let me checkmark one more user, and then to create the group, just hit on next. Then you should name this group. I'm just gonna type in test. Then also you can hit at that camera icon and select profile picture for that group. You can choose take photo, choose a photo from your camera roll, emoji and sticker, and the search web. I don't even know what it is because I prefer to use one of these options. So let me show you how to use, for example, emoji and stickers. So now you can select any emoji, let it be that one, why not? Right here you can switch background for that profile picture, and also in the same way you can set any emoji, just like that. Then just don't forget to hit at done. Also, on that step you can set up disappearing messages feature. By default it's toggled off. You can tap on that, and then it explains what disappearing feature actually is. So for more privacy and storage, all new messages will disappear from this chat for everyone after the selected duration. So you can hit right here at OK and set the duration. You can switch between 24 hours, 7 days or 90 days. I don't want this feature to be enabled, so I'm just gonna select off. After that you can tap at create, and that creates new WhatsApp group. Then you can manage that group. Just tap right here at that group name, and that shows you all the settings that you can set for that particular group. So first off, you can add group description, just like that. Don't forget to hit at save. From here also you can add new participants to that group. Just tap on add participants, and then in the same way you can add new members to that group. If you want to remove some member from the group, just find this member in group participants. You can use search to search for search by their name. Then just tap at that user and select remove from group. Right from here you can also make this user group admin, and if you tap at info you can also get some information about that user. Then you can enter group settings. You can set up disappearing messages again if you want. You can set wallpaper and sound for that particular group, and a bunch more different other features. Also, right here at the top right corner you can hit on edit to change the group name and profile picture. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about that tutorial, and also I recommend you to check out my WhatsApp tutorials playlist, which you can easily find in the description. Hit the like button if you liked that video, and I'll see you in the next one.